Thorn Chalice is a comprehensive LED downlight family which offers high performance across an extensive range of applications. And today I'm going to show a short demonstration as to how to use your mobile phone to take advantage of a new benefit we call VCT, Variable Colour Temperature. The VCT functionality is best used in combination with our basic dim wireless app or via lighting management systems using the DALI DT8 protocol. For the purpose of this video, we're going to look at the wireless option using your mobile phone. I hope that you found that demonstration to be useful. There are far more benefits that wireless solution can provide, such as corridor function and other features. Our research tells us that for many of us, 90% of the time that we spend in our daily lives are under artificial light. The benefit to this VCT technology is that you can now tune the colour of your light. As we move through the working day, Thorn Lighting can provide you with a solution. Chalice is just one option and it's available in various forms. Our new VCT technology is also available to use within your project when selecting the Equaline and Omega Pro 2 solutions. Thank you for listening, and I hope you find these new additions useful to your next project.